Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'll be sharing some valuable insights on promoting Amazon affiliate links through Pinterest. Let's dive right in. To become an Amazon affiliate, you'll need to sign up as an affiliate on program.amazon.com. Amazon refers to their affiliate as the Amazon Associates, and the sign up process is quite straightforward. You'll find all the necessary information and details on their homepage. So there are 3 steps on joining the Amazon affiliate. First, sign up. Second, recommend or share millions of products with your audience. And lastly, earn up to 10% associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Before signing up, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the basic requirements and policies of the Amazon Associates program. Amazon has specific guidelines regarding the types of content you can promote. So let's go ahead and sign up our account. Just enter your email or password, or if you don't have an account, you can create a new one. Just enter all the necessary information and then enter your OTP and create an account. So there are step-by-step process on how you can finish creating an account. Just enter all your personal information and we will proceed on the website and mobile app list. Go to your Pinterest account and copy the website and paste it here. Click the add icon and click no and confirm. After that, enter your preferred associate store ID. After entering all the information based on your specific niche, just type this CAPTCHA. When you're done, just click the checkbox icon and then click finish. And now we're done creating an account. So this is my associate ID, example Amazon-20. And it says here that you may occasionally need to provide your associate ID to verify your account with us. In the meantime, you have been granted the full access to Associate Central 24 hours a day. There are different instructions here on how you can use this website. So let's get started. So you can enter here your tax information if you have, and you can enter also your payment information. But right now we will not going to enter that. So here is the overview of your earnings if you have. So let's go to the Amazon store and let's search for the specific products that we want to promote. So let's browse in here. So let's choose a product here on what we are going to promote. And go to your Pinterest account and click the plus icon and create a pin. So before we create the pin, let's go to the Canva and let's create the graphics for our product. Create a design and select Pinterest pin. So there are thousands of templates here in Canva that you can choose from. Just browse it in here. So make sure that your product is aligned with the design that you will going to create. So here I search for gadgets and I will use this template. Just go to the Amazon store and click the product and save it to your computer. Once you save the product, just upload the file on Canva. Once you're done uploading the file, you can remove its background. Once you're done removing the background, you can erase the specific area in the product. Consistently creating captivating pins and driving traffic from Pinterest to your Amazon affiliate links can significantly increase your chances of earning commissions. Experiment with different designs and strategies to determine what works best for your target audience and niche. So when you're done, you can edit this template on your preferred style. Just change its title by just pasting the title from Amazon store. Once you're done creating the graphics, just save it to your computer or laptop and go to pinterest.com and upload your edited photo. Just add a title by copy and pasting it on the Pinterest. For you to get the affiliate link from Amazon, just go to the Amazon store and click text. Just copy the link and then paste it on Pinterest. You can add additional text here or you can add call to action. Just enter buy this now and click the link to order this. You can copy and paste the description from the product to Pinterest. After that, just paste the link here. And then click select and create a dashboard. And then just save it. Once you're done creating your pin, you can go to your Pinterest account, then click create, and you will see your pin post in here. I hope you found this video informative and gained valuable insights into promoting Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. It's a simple yet effective method to drive traffic and potentially earn commissions. If you have any question or require further assistance, please feel free to leave comment below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.